Hello, and welcome back to Better Health Guide. In this video, we will explain how to detox your kidneys. Before we get into that though, I'd like to ask you all to subscribe as we are so close to 50 subscribers, and it would be great to hit that after this video. It would also be great if you could comment video suggestions and you will receive a mention in the video. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. The kidneys are an essential part of the body's filtration system, responsible for removing waste and excess fluids from the blood. However, when they become overloaded with toxins, they can become less efficient, leading to a range of health issues. In this video, we will discuss some tips and strategies for detoxing your kidneys and keeping them healthy. Firstly, one of the most important things you can do to support your kidneys is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help to flush out toxins and keep the kidneys functioning at their best. Experts recommend drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day, but some people may need more depending on their activity levels and other factors. In addition to water, there are several other drinks that can be helpful for kidney detoxification. One of the most popular is cranberry juice, which is known to help prevent urinary tract infections and promote healthy kidney function. Other beneficial beverages include green tea, lemon water, and dandelion root tea, all of which have natural detoxifying properties. Another key strategy for kidney detoxification is to eat a healthy diet that is rich in whole foods and low in processed and refined foods. This means focusing on fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while avoiding sugary snacks, processed meats, and fast food. Eating a balanced diet can help to reduce the workload on the kidneys, as well as provide important nutrients to support their function. Another important consideration for kidney health is exercise. Regular physical activity can help to improve circulation and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. There are also several herbs and supplements that can be helpful for supporting kidney health and detoxification. Some of the most popular include milk thistle, nettle leaf, and turmeric, all of which have natural anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. However, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional before taking any new supplements or herbs, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Lastly, it's important to avoid or limit exposure to environmental toxins that can be harmful to the kidneys. This may include reducing your use of chemical cleaners and pesticides, as well as avoiding exposure to secondhand smoke and other sources of pollution. If you work in a job that exposes you to chemicals or other toxins, be sure to take proper precautions to protect your health. In conclusion, detoxing your kidneys is an important part of maintaining overall health and well-being. By staying hydrated, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking natural supplements, you can support your kidneys and help them function at their best. Remember to talk to your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you found this information helpful. Hello, and welcome back to Better Health Guide. In this video, we will